Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore today. I'm going to teach you how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. First, you have to open WhatsApp and then click on the group you want to transfer members and then go to the group profile and then scroll down and then click on Invite Link option and then copy it and then go to the group you want to add the members, like I created this for example, and then send this link to this group. And when the member click on this link, they will automatic add to your group by the invite link. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to transfer group members to another group in WhatsApp. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.